Hi, it's David. Welcome to the exercise of the week. I'm so excited to share this with you. Also, if you can, like, subscribe, and maybe share with a friend. Try the exercise and let me know in the comments how you did. This exercise is the arm side raise. I want you to have your arms down your side, nice and relaxed. Remember, proper posture, proper breathing. The proper posture is your feet squared and your shoulders slightly pinched back. That way, as you go out, your shoulder's going to be in the right position to avoid any sort of strain or injury. So you're going to slightly pinch the shoulders back. You're going to blow and lift. Always, that's the proper breathing. Come up, hold for 3, and come down. All these exercises, I want you to take your time and go nice and slow and controlled. There's no need to rush. Breathe in and blow. If these are too hard, do it without weights. It's okay. And you're going to come down. And you can breathe in or out on the way down. Doesn't matter as long as you're blowing out on the way up. Let's do one more. Notice from the side view, my arms are out here and they're not hyperextended back here. They're nice and in line with my body. And down. That's the arm side raise. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Also, check out these videos over here.